I'm not sure if you watched my unboxing video, but I'll put it down in the description below. So now I'm going to start sort of playing with this, and the first thing I'm going to do is charge it. According to the instructions, it takes, I think, 4 to 5 hours to charge, and it's about 8:45 here now, so it'll be 9:45, 11, 12, 1, 2. So it should be about 1:45, should be about 2 o'clock that this should be 100% charged. It's currently at 71%. So let's see what happens. So I just plugged it in. It's 8:45. They say it's, what was it, 4 to 5 hours at 400 watts. This is 323. And you can hear the fan running. It's not too bad. I don't find it obtrusive in any manner. And on the face of it, we have a circle going around 72%. A little light down the corner showing the fan is running. And over at the battery, it's just showing some movement, which I guess means that it's charging. So we'll come back in a couple of hours. It's 8:45. I'll come back in an hour and or two and see what's the percentage. So we're an hour into the charge, and it's up to 95%. Now, I have read on some forums that it never gets to 100, but I guess we'll see what happens. So an hour, and so up to 96% from 71. So we're now at 2 hours charging, and we're at 99%. And after 4 hours, we've got our 100%. And it's charging less now. It's down to 174, which is, I don't know why, but she's at 100%. So I posted online asking about the decrease in wattage when charging, and I was advised that when it reaches 100%, that this will drop eventually to 0, because what's happening now is where it's taking less wattage is actually, my word, normalizing or equalizing the batteries within the box itself. And I was told it's good a couple of times a year, or a couple of times, or whenever. It's good from time to time to make sure that they're actually regulated, normalized, equalized, sort of thing. So for my first charge, I'm going to run this till it gets down to 0. Now this has been charging for an extra hour compared to yesterday, so I'm just going to let this run and see what happens. And an hour and a half later, we're showing 100% charge and no charging, so everything must be equalized. But the fan is still on. She hasn't shut off. So I'm just going to leave it for another, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, see if it shuts off, and if it doesn't, I'll just unplug the unit. And about 15 minutes later, it's still plugged in, and it shut off. So it does charge and shut off. And if I press on the AC, it's showing 100% charged and no energy being absorbed. And there you have it, the first charge of the ALLPOWERS S2000. Now, it did take a little longer than I remember it saying in the user guide, user manual. I think it said 4 to 5 hours. It took 6 3/4 hours, almost 7 hours to charge it. Now, is that because it was first time being charged? I don't know. I'm not too concerned about that at this point in time, because I did charge this to its full capacity and made sure that all the cells, all the batteries were normalized. So that's fine. If it continues into the future, such a long charging time, I may have some concern, but right now I'm not. So now let's get to using it and see how much I can do with this thing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.